Welcome back again to my channel. Your girl is back with another hair DIY. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I DIY this liquid that you can add into your shampoo, and this liquid is really gonna help you to grow your hair. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. So my first ingredient is going to be coffee. Yes, guys, you can use any coffee brand of your choice. It's very fine. So I'm gonna be preparing it like you are making a tea. I'm going to be adding like 2.5 spoon of coffee into my hot boiling water, and then I will just give it a little stir as I'm doing here, and then I will go ahead and add clove. Clove is also very great for hair. Clove really helps to stimulate hair growth. It treats dandruff. It promotes a really healthy hair growth, guys. Okay, if you haven't been adding any clove into your hair growth journey, I highly recommend that you add clove into your hair growth journey. You can actually use clove with so many different things in your life. It's really beneficial for so many different things. So I was actually not having a clove powder at home, so I went ahead to just blend my clove in my blender. So this is the clove powder, and I went ahead to I added 2 spoons into the coffee, and then I'm going to be giving it a little mix together, and then I will cover it with aluminum foil, or if your bowl have a cover, you can also just go ahead and use the cover of your bowl to cover it and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. So here is my liquid. After 20 minutes, it's already done, and I'm going to be straining it because we have this clove powder below, so I really don't want that in my liquid, so I will just go ahead and separate that. So yeah, this is my liquid, and as you guys can see, it's very easy to make. Okay, it doesn't take time at all. So this is basically the shampoo that I am gonna be using. You can also use any shampoo of your choice. So I do love this Ghanaian honey shampoo. It's really good for my hair. I've been using it now for quite a long time, so I really love it. So just add your shampoo into these liquids. This liquid shampoo kind of remind me of black soap shampoo. Okay, so if you want to save some coins, not to spend money to buy this black soap, try this DIY, and it's gonna work perfect for you. Okay, so use this shampoo anytime you're washing your hair. You can use it on your hair, you can use it on your kids' hair. It's for kid friendly. It's coffee and clove water. Okay, it's really gonna help you to strengthen your hair, promote a new healthy hair growth, and treat dandruff, and yeah, it's really working. It's going to help you to grow your hair, trust me. One thing that I have to say, please, when you are applying this shampoo into your hair, you have to close your eyes, because if this liquid get into your eyes, oh my goodness, yeah, I have the experience. So that's the reason why I'm throwing this that's the reason why I'm throwing it into this video. Okay, close your eyes. If you're using it for your kids' hair, tell them to close their eyes, because this shampoo is really a little strong. Okay, so yeah, this is how I make my shampoo, my DIY shampoo hair growth. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. Okay guys, I do a lot of videos here. I do a lot of DIYs of how to grow your natural hair. If you like my content and you're watching me for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe. Okay, subscribe to this channel. Follow your girl on Instagram. Leave your comment below if you have tried this clove with coffee shampoo for hair growth. Okay, so yeah. So you can use this shampoo anytime you want, guys. Every time you're washing your hair, just use this shampoo to wash your hair and rinse your hair, and go ahead and use your regular condition, and then give your hair a break. Okay, our hair do grow. You know, any DIY stuff that you do, it takes time. Okay, you just have to give your hair a break, and just love your hair. Okay, love your hair, give your hair a time, and your hair would definitely grow. Did you guys see how my hair is growing? This baby is growing. Like, I'm so excited. Whenever I see my hair, whenever I stretch my hair out like this, I always got this smile on my face. Yeah, the hair is growing and I'm excited. And yeah, if you follow me all for a long time, you probably will have some length already. So yeah, so thank you all so much. I don't want to rank too much on hand, so you know what to do. Hope to catch you on my next one. Bye bye.